Alright, so we made it to the auction. We made an appointment, so now we just gotta wait. It's raining a little bit, so hopefully it'll clear up, or at least it won't get worse. But hopefully this will be fast. But let's wait for the car to get here and check it out. Alright guys, so just got back to the shop with this new build.
Our oldest build.
Oldest current new build. But yeah, this thing's crazy. I have no idea what it is, honestly. It just looked awesome.
What do you mean? I've always wanted one.
Yeah, you've always wanted. I don't really know how much horsepower this thing can have. Like
1,000.
Maybe like 150. I mean, I don't know.
We gotta find out what kind of engine it has.
Yeah.
What kind of setup it has.
No idea what's going on. But this thing, I mean, it doesn't look crazy bad. Definitely lowered right now. You know,
slam, Michael.
Low rider, at least on the right side. But who knows?
What do you think about it? You like it though?
It's pretty cool. I definitely drive it. Not gonna lie. This is I definitely drive it down the road a couple times. Not a daily, you know, but definitely Sunday cruise. Oh, that's gonna be really cool for sure. Get this done with a Cobra and just go down for, you know, a ride. It'd be awesome.
Well, let's get inside because it's kind of cold.
It is. It's definitely chilly. So let's put it inside somehow without damaging anything. Let's do it.
So here we have it. We got the car inside the shop, and I'm even more excited now. I mean, this is pretty sick. I always wanted one, so it's like a little dream come true. You know, just nice. But let's check out the damage really quick. So it looks like they hit something in the front right corner. The radio got a little bit deleted. It got pushed back, but I mean, I've seen these online. Not too expensive, not a problem. The frame looks good. Looks like the leaf spring, one of them broke off. But nothing, you know, not too bad. As long as our spindle's good. The track bar, we can replace that, not a big deal. Doesn't look like the engine moved whatsoever. The headers look bad, but they look like they need to be replaced anyways, so we're gonna have to get a new set. We're gonna have to find out what kind of engine we have though. I mean, if you guys know what kind of engine it is, let us know. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be loud. And currently, it's winterized, as you guys can see the cups. And just like that, it's unwinterized. So we're gonna definitely try to start it, right, Michael?
Oh yeah.
And I mean, maybe for a little bit. I don't think it's gonna affect it too much. I think it's gonna still be loud and working. But it doesn't look like anything's gonna be hidden if we do try to start it. So it looks good. I think it's got gas in it. It's very simple. But let's come out to the other side, to the driver's side. And look at these gaps, guys. We're gonna have to fix it. I mean, it is an original body, so it does have, you know, some rust and corrosion. But we can fix it up. We're not gonna get it perfect, because that's gonna be way too much time. But we're gonna get it looking really good. The interior's pretty nice. Look at that. Looks like somebody did the seats. And it has lots of leg room. I can get in really easily. I mean, you can't really see much, but it's a hot rod. I'm excited. This is sweet. And then I don't think we're gonna have a traction issue, even though this engine's probably like 200 horsepower or something. But that's pretty sick. It's got the bed. It's got a lot of little body work we gotta do, but nothing too hard for us. And then it's got this wooden floor. Pretty cool. I think we could put some toys in here, like the side-by-side. Probably not. But it looks like there's a little cap right here for the fuel. And we're almost full, look at that. That's pretty cool.
Nice gas gauge. I
And
love the trunk in the back, yeah.
That's a lot of room. I mean, I'm surprised the tailgate doesn't work though.
Fake.
It's okay. But it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of pinstriping on it. Looks like somebody did that. Ooh, look at that. Back in 2014. If anybody knows
Who that is, who did this, or some information, we'd love to know, guys. Give some info on that, that'd be great. I have no idea what we just bought.
But here's the battery right here. So, very simple. Let's try it. Negative goes here. Positive goes. No, hold on.
Definitely check that out.
Negative goes here. Positive goes here.
Oh, we got some
We
power.
got some power. Okay. All right, Michael, let's try this.
Let's do it.
We're on this side.
Battery's dying, but it's started.
So we take the key. Let's put it in here. Ooh, we got some power. Gotta try all this stuff first, right?
Whoa, we got lights.
We got lights. Oh,
Wow.
Look, the headlight's working.
Which one? Yeah, it is.
Hey, that's some money we're saving right there.
It's a good sign.
It's a good sign right there. What about taillights? Think taillights are working?
This one's not working, but.
Ooh, it's working. Let me
What?
step on the brakes and see if that works.
Man, I feel like we're ahead of the Cobra right now. No,
No.
nothing.
All right, we were hoping too much, but let's see if this thing starts.
Let's start, let's crank it.
Nothing.
You have to. So, is it automatic? Is it a
I
manual?
think
Is
this
it?
is automatic, but
Oh, there it is.
there's the button.
All right, make sure hit the brakes and it's a push start.
It has no brakes.
A lot of motor. Sounds like it needs more power. It's getting better though.
Turn the headlight.
Yeah, turn the headlights off, Ivan. Let's save everything. It's spinning.
Looks like we're gonna need to charge the battery.
Might have a battery. Let's just go with another battery on there. Alright, let me go get that battery.
All right, guys, with no luck, I guess the battery's way too dead. We gotta take the battery out, charge it. But while we're gonna be doing that, we might as well take it apart a little bit, just take off this. Just make sure that none of the wires are doing, cut or anything like that. Make sure they're all good. So in a little bit, we gotta take it apart to see what we need to order, but we definitely need your help and help us with finding the parts, or what kind of parts, what are they called, where to look. But we definitely know we need the grill. I found those online, they're not too bad. Radiator, headlights, the leaf springs, and then let us know what we should do. Should we just, you know, keep it like a hot rod kind of theme, or should we do some more to it? You know, upgrade the brakes, because it's got drum brakes on the front. Yeah, lots and lots of fun stuff, but let us know what you guys think. You guys know what we paid for it? Did we overpay? Did we get a good deal? I think we got a great deal. I mean, it's a good platform. It just needs a little bit of love. It needs a little bit of work. But and that's everything we can do. So let's take it apart a little bit more, charge the battery, and go from there. Okay, so we got the headers came off really easy. We took apart the radiator, all that's coming apart really nicely. Then we noticed that this is where it broke right here. So we're gonna try to get this thing rolling until we get all the parts. It'll be easier to move around the shop. So I'm gonna take this apart, weld it, put that back together, and then maybe put this leaf spring back on. And then this thing will be sitting on its own wheels. That'll be pretty cool. And then we can see why it's not starting. So let's get this thing welded. Alright, so here we have it. We kind of put the suspension together a little bit. We got the leaf springs, kind of so it's sitting on the ground on the wheels pretty much, you know, so it's looking pretty good. So we kind of roll it around the shop. Next thing to do is we're going to try to start it. We tried to crank a couple times and the battery just gets not enough power, or it's been sitting for a long time, probably has bad gas. So we got the truck, we got jumper cables, and we're going to try to start it. All right, so we have it. Wait, run. So that's great news. That's half the build right there. Make sure it runs. I don't know if it drives yet due to the tire and the brake line got busted, so we won't have brakes. I don't really want to drive it. But we're pretty much ready to start ordering parts, guys. I mean, let us know what you guys think. Was it a good deal? We buy it? I think it was. You know, I'm pretty excited about it. There's a lot of work to it, but a lot of parts we gotta find out, a lot of information. So you guys leave us a comment. Let us know where we can get all these parts and everything like that. So, or what we should do with it. Keep it like this, or do a little bit of metal work and clean it up a little bit, make it look clean.
Alright guys, so that's all the time we have for this episode, but let us know if you like the build, if you want us to continue it. We're also doing a giveaway. We're always doing a giveaway. Honestly, it'd be cool to find like a cool name for this car. So if we could think of a creative name for this car, I don't know what, hot rod, something, and we'll pick the best one. We'll send you some stuff, some merch, and I don't know, some goodies, maybe a shirt or something like that. But leave a comment below, hit that like button. Appreciate it guys, till next time.